Welcome! If you want to stay on top of every interaction on your Instagram Reels, turning on prompt response alerts is a must. These notifications let you know the moment someone replies to your prompt, so you never miss a beat in your community or audience engagement. Here's how you can enable this feature with the latest Instagram update. First, open the Instagram app on your device and head straight to your profile. You can do this by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile page, look for the menu icon, the 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner. Tap it to open up a list of options. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This is where you'll find all the controls for your account, including privacy, security, and of course, notifications. Tap on Notifications to continue. Inside the Notifications menu, you'll see different categories for the types of alerts you can receive. Look for the section labeled Live and Reels and tap on it. This is where you can fine-tune all notifications related to Instagram's live videos and Reels features. Now, scroll until you find the Prompt Responses option. This setting controls whether you'll get notified when someone responds to a prompt you've added to your reel. To make sure you never miss out, simply select On. And that's it! You've now activated prompt response alerts for Instagram Reels. From now on, every time someone responds to your prompt, you'll get a notification right away. This is perfect for creators, brands, or anyone who wants to keep the conversation going and boost engagement on their content. If you ever want to adjust these notifications, just follow these same steps and toggle the setting off or on as needed. Staying connected with your audience has never been easier, and with prompt response alerts, you'll always be in the loop. Thanks for watching and enjoy creating on Instagram.